Hi friend! In this video, I will show you how a visual form art called Art Journal can actually bring you happiness to your soul and relieve stress. This is more than a flip-through video. This video is to get you inspired to know what is possible. And through this channel journey here, you will learn more tools, how this simple art form, it's not intimidating as it seems. It has many ways of doing it, and we're going to talk through this in the video. Art Journal is a visual art form. And what does that mean? It combines visual mediums that can be paint, scribbles, collage, marks, photos, and journaling. This art form can be paper and digital, and personally, I have to say, I love both. So, journaling is a broad term. Many people think that when you say journaling, you are saying, oh, I have to write and write and write. And that's not necessary. Through my pages here, you can see that sometimes, yeah, I wrote a lot, but sometimes to me, it's more than that. Sometimes it's a word of encouragement that I need that day, or sometimes it would be a quote that reflects on what I need to change or what I want to change. And sometimes it's just an express of happiness. And sometimes it's just after a stressful day of working and dealing with kids or whatever it is you are dealing with, you just want to zone out and give your brain a break. I think more than ever today, we need our brain to have a break, and this form of visual art can help you so much with that. And by the end, when you finish, even if it's a simple doodle form, you're gonna feel so much better. I'd like to talk about how it's possible to soothe your soul with art journaling. Recently, the Washington Post said that making art is a form of meditation. So another quote that I love a lot is from Louise Bourgeois. Probably I'm saying that name wrong, but art is a guarantee to sanity. In a recent article that I will link also below to you, with cancer patients, they were using a form of art journaling, visual art, with the cancer patients. And, doodling, gluing, scribbling, whatever they were doing, to give their brain a break and reduce the thoughts. And in that moment they found out that they had a spark of dopamine in the brain. And this is fantastic, because what it means is in that moment, because of the dopamine, maybe they forgot even some pain that they had. This happened to me a lot. I suffer from back pain, and many times when I'm journaling or painting, I actually don't think about the pain. I don't think the pain is gone, it's just we don't think about it, so our brain kind of forgets it. When I started having anxiety issues, and also my son got diagnosed as being autistic, I had a lot of trouble with all forms of thoughts and anxiety, what was going to happen to him and all things like that. So that's when I discovered art journaling, probably 15 years ago. And here in this channel and my podcast, we will explore, and I explore, how this can be helpful to you. My goal watching these videos and here in the channel is that you're gonna learn that you don't need to be a quote-unquote artist. You don't have to be a quote-unquote artist, but you can use your creativity, because we all are creatives, to help you to take a break. So I have a great podcast episode here in the channel that I'll link for you, that I had a great conversation, the podcast with a friend, Ilana, and what we discussed about and how art journaling helped her in the dark times. And she discussed all things related to difficulty to get pregnant and all the things related to her anxiety issues as well, and how art journaling is still this day, it's a form of meditation and taking a break, and just sometimes we just need to put that stuff out, and it is okay. So I will link that for you. So I would love to know if you have experience with art journaling, if you ever did your art journaling, or if this is new for you. Leave a comment and let me know. I would love to start a conversation here in the channel with you guys. I'll see you in the next video.